Hello student. In today's maths class we are going to discuss exercise 1G, which is about rationalization. So rationalization, why do we need rationalization? Whenever in denominator we have irrational number, to make it in rational number by multiplying and dividing numerator and denominator by a suitable number, that is called as a rationalization. It means to make the denominator rational is called rationalization. For example, if you have number 1 by root 7. Now root 7 is your irrational denominator. We want to make it rational denominator. So to make the rational denominator, we have to multiply and divide root 7 in numerator and denominator. So this one becomes root 7 by, and root 7 will be 7. Now 7 is the number which is your rational number. So exercise 1G is all about your rationalization. So in question number 1 to 9, we are going to use the same method. So in this video, I am going to show you two questions, question number 7 and question number 9. So question number 7, this is your question, 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. So in this question, if you see, the denominator is your irrational number. So make it rational number by rationalization. 3 minus root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So in rationalization, we have to use the same number of the denominator with the opposite sign. Now here 3 minus root 2, 3 minus root 2. So we can write this one as a 3 minus 2 root 2 whole thing square. And in denominator, we can see here 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 minus 2 root 2. Now here you have to use the formula of a minus b whole thing square, where a is your 3, b is your 2 root 2. So use the formula a square, it means 3 square, minus 2ab, 2, a is your 3, b is your 2 root 2, plus b square, b is your 2 root 2 whole thing square, by, in denominator this is the formula of a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this one as a square minus b square, where a is your 3, b is your 2 root 2. So this is 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole thing square. Now solve it. 3 square means 9. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2 will be 12. 12 root 2 minus, this one will be 2 into 2, 4. And root 2 into root 2 will be 2. By 3 into 3 will be 9. 2 into 2 will be 4. And root 2 into root 2 will be 2. So this becomes 9 minus 12 root 2 plus 8 by 9 minus 8. So this one will be 9 plus 8 minus 12 root 2 by 9 minus 8 will be your 1. So 9 plus 8 will be your 17 minus 12 root 2, which is your answer. Now see the question number 9. In question number 9, this is your 2 root 3 minus root 5, 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. Again the denominator is your irrational. So make it in the rational. 2 root 3 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3 into, take the number of the denominator, 2 root 2 with opposite sign minus 3 root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. Now this one is the difference, so we cannot use the formula. So we'll do the product. 2 root 3 minus root 5, and this one will be 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3, and this one will be 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. So this one becomes 2 root 3. Take the term, first term of this first bracket and write down the second term. 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 minus root 5, 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 by, this is again a plus b, a minus b, so a square plus b square. So 2 root 2 whole thing square minus 3 root 3 square. Now multiply it. Rational to rational, 2 into 2 will be 4, and inside the square root 3 into 2 will be 6, minus 2 into 3 will be 6, and root 3 into root 3 will be 3. Now do the multiplication of this one. 2 and this is root 5 into 2 will be 10, minus minus becomes plus, so 3 root 15 by, this one will be 2 into 2 4 into 2 minus 3 into 3 will be 9, and root 3 will be 3. Now this one is your 4 root 6 minus 6 3s are 18 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 15 by 8 minus 9 3s are 27. Now subtract it. 4 root 6 minus 18 minus 2 root 10 plus 3 root 15 by 8 minus 27 will be minus 19. Now whenever the negative sign in denominator, we have to change the sign of the numerator by making the denominator as positive. So this is minus, bring this minus in the numerator. So whatever the terms positive in the numerator becomes negative, and negative terms becomes positive. So this one is the positive term. So here we will get minus 4 root 6. This is the positive negative. So we will get here positive. Again this is your negative. So we will get positive. This is positive, then this one becomes negative. And by 19. Now arrange it. The number, first write down the rational number 18, then minus 3 root 15, then plus 2 root 10 minus 4 root 6, which is your answer. So in this way we have to do the rationalization from question number 1 to 9.